go. Welcome to another episode, guys. This time it's a little bit special. I'm not doing catch and cook like the adventure that I usually do. And as you can see, I bought myself a kayak because I just can't get through those places where it's too far with my inflatable raft. On all those hand paddling just gets me too tired. Instead of doing a catch and cook, we're joining an event on behalf of the government catching invasive species. And the invasive species here is peacock bass. That's the invasive species that we are trying to catch today. There's a lot of kayak. I think there's more than 150 participants today. This lake here is actually what we call a bird sanctuary lake. All the birds come over here to catch fish and they're here to lay eggs and everything. This lake is dedicated for endangered birds, or you can say birds that are local, native birds. One of the biggest angling community or an organization created this event, and the organization is called the Tomans, one of the biggest angling community and organization in Malaysia. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna set up everything, I'm gonna start casting. I'm gonna try catch some big monster sea bass. No, wait, not sea bass, peacock bass. And there's a lot of weight here, man. I'm gonna have to get up from this place first. Ooh, let's not get stuck. Right, guys, first cast. Come on, let's see if I get something. Nope, nothing on the first cast. There's nothing here. Maybe because there's too many. Oh, I see bubble, I see bubble. Nothing. The bubble's moving. Maybe I am. Let's try going to somewhere with less people, because this is a very big lake. This is like first 10% of the lake only. There's a drone here. Dapat?
Belum lagi.
On the way, on the way.
Tak jumpa rumah dia lagi.
Bawah tu dah cuba?
Yang lembis dia tengok banyak dah kena. Oh, bawah tu boleh cuba lagi.
Let's try casting here, guys. See that? There's a big boat over here. Gotta sign some wake. Dapat?
Jom. Kami dapat lembis je ni. Kayak pun nak try first time.
Oh, yeah, okay. Good luck, good luck. Oh, here's the wake. Oh, here's the wake. The wake's coming. Woohoo! Now I have no experience in kayak. This is like the third time I'm coming down with this kayak. I did a test run for the first and second time. Oh my god, the wake is getting serious. Oh. Nothing. Let's try going a little bit further and see if there's more chance over there. Should do some trolling while I'm at it. You'll never know what you get if you don't troll. Right? Am I right? Or am I not? My ice box is still ice cold, which is good. I think I have like 20 bottles inside. It's a small bottle, it's not a big one. Oh, where's my mask? There is it. Almost lost it. I'm gonna soak my mask with cold water so I won't get heat stroke. I just realized my outfit is not matched. I think it's time for me to buy some new outfit. Ooh, lucky me, I didn't get stuck. You heard that? Someone selling juice on their kayak. It's good business though. It's good business. It's a very good business strategy. They're using the quack to call out their location for the drinks. People use those bells here? No, we use quacks here. Where are those fishes? Or I'm changing spots. Oh, the water's coming in. Well guys, we're going back. First session is ended by around, I'm not sure what's the time now. And I met a new friend over here. What's your name again? Kennedy. He has a YouTube channel as well, so I'll try the link. I'll put the link in my video as well. Stick around, guys. Let's go. You know what? I'm gonna go get myself a drink. The drink might give me good luck. Who knows? Let's go. Here we get to buy a drink. Tengah rekod. Sudah rekod dah. Satu hari rekod.
Dapat cash hari ni.
Ada kayu.
Kayu.
Ah, ni macam ni, kayu. Yo.
Alright.
Cepat sikit. Cepat sikit. Cepat sikit.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Oi. Cantik. Kena lock dulu.
Ini rod apa yang pakai ni?
Casking.
Tak macam ni.
Cuba. Jauh. Jauh sangat. Tapi dia tak ada, dia tak keras lah, dia jauh je.
Try eh.
Try. Give it a try, bro. Sedap. Lagi, kalau kena yang besar dengan lagi sedap. Ni UL.
Ini casking juga.
Casking, semua casking. Let's go buy ourselves a drink. Ada limau tak?
Orange ada?
Orange, limau ada?
Ada lime. Kita ada orange. Sasi.
Oh no.
Dengan soda.
Sasi dengan soda.
Yes, I letak belakang eh.
Ah, boleh. Sasi, soda dan ada apa lagi? Tengok. Holy shit. See this, guys. The fuck? This is not a kayak, guys. This is a cafe.
Soda. Ini cafe.
This is that? This is a cafe. This is how you make money over here, right? Apa ni? Ini
Ada saksi.
sasi. Ini orange.
Ini orange.
Ini orange. Ini sasi.
Saksi.
And orange. Berapa orange?
Sama je RM5. You duit cukup-cukup I tak bawa ni.
Dua lah macam ni.
You kena dua.
Kena dua lah.
Okey, mana yang nak?
Sana dua orange boleh ke?
Dua orange boleh. I cari yang sejuk ni.
Tengok air punya. Saya semua sini pun ais punya.
Wah, ada ais rupanya.
Macam ni baru boleh tahan mah.
Okey, kalau you ada ais boleh ambil yang ni. Ini sejuk sikit ya.
Okey, boleh.
Alright.
Masukkan.
You nak buka tak?
Buka. This person is offering me to open a bottle, but
Amazing.
yeah. Now that's how you open a bottle. Thank you, bro.
Alright, chill. Dia punya YouTube apa?
outdoor fishing dream.
Outdoor fishing dream.
Yeah, betul.
I follow right now.
Oh, thank you, thank you.
You beli I punya air, I follow you, subscribe you.
One subscriber costs you 10 ringgit, right, guys?
Alright gang, jadi saya dah follow dia.
Yeah, he follow me, guys. He follow me.
Okay, I dah follow dia sebab nak follow dia kena bayar I RM10.
10 ringgit for one subscriber, guys. 10 ringgit for one subscriber. It's damn cheap. In dollars, it's only $2. I kena continue dah sekarang. Ya, tak kena lagi dah. That's why saya kena beli ni untuk good luck punya. This is not orange juice. This is good luck juice.
Yeah. Good luck juice, you know?
Good luck juice.
Alright.
Alright, bro. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, alright. Thank you.
Okay, continue dulu. No, there's clouds over here. There's a lot of clouds over here covering the sun, giving us the just right temperature. But when the clouds go away, with all this blue sky you see over here, it's gonna be crazy hot. 哇，雨伞哦，劲，佩服。我这个小哥给 camera 的。Nice, nice. Blow up, blow up, blow up, blow up, blow up, blow up. Just beside me. Just right beside me. Come on, come on, come on. Take it, take it, take it, take it. It's not taking. See those goose there? Oh no, they're swans. Yeah, yeah, they're swans. Oh, beautiful little bugger. See that? The boat over there on the side? That's called Tomans. T-O-M-N-Z. It's basically a name of a snakehead species. The biggest snakehead species in the whole Southeast Asia. It's called Toman. I thought I got something. I got myself stuck in the tree. Why? I'm bad at this. I'm really, really bad at this. I broke it. Right, the skunk is still with me. I just broke my lure by casting on that stupid tree. I'm gonna find somewhere else with a shades, take a rest, retie my line and my lures, and pray for the fish god. I'll see you guys later. So today was a bit of a fishing fumble for me, no catches, but guess what? I had the honor of joining the government in a super rare and important event to protect our native fishes. It's like being a fishy superhero. Now, on to the fun stuff. Hold on to your hats because I've got a kayak. That means big adventure, epic catches, and maybe a splash or two. Get ready to explore a whole new world with me. I'm sorry for the chaotic upload schedule lately, life's tossing curveballs, but your understanding and patience, priceless. You guys rock. Exciting things ahead, folks. The kayak saga begins, and I can't wait to dive into the next chapter with you. Thanks for being part of this wild ride. Stay tuned, tight lines, and catch you in the next one.